Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you unbiased reviews of the latest tech products. Today, we're taking a close look at the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5-6000 C30 memory kit. Designed for enthusiasts looking to pair it with their Ryzen 7000 processors. Let's see if this memory kit lives up to its claims. With the introduction of AMD's custom Expo memory overclocking certification, memory vendors are now offering new memory kits specifically tailored for Ryzen 7000 owners. Corsair has joined the fray with their Expo-certified Vengeance and Dominator Platinum lineups, providing a range of options from DDR5-5200 to DDR5-6400 and capacities from 32GB to 64GB. AMD's Expo technology, similar to Intel XMP, allows for easy automatic overclocking with a simple click. While it's not mandatory to pair your Zen 4 chip with an Expo memory kit, doing so ensures optimized compatibility and performance for your Ryzen 7000 processor. The Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 memory modules, part of the Expo lineup, feature the same sleek design as the standard modules. The aluminum heat spreader with its unique pattern and brushed aluminum area remains unchanged. Interestingly, you won't find any Expo branding on the modules themselves, but the packaging distinguishes them from the standard Vengeance RGB DDR5 modules. The Vengeance RGB DDR5 memory kit comes with a height of 56mm and features a 10-zone RGB illumination light bar. This allows you to individually control the 10 RGB LEDs and customize the lighting effects using Corsair's IQ software. It's a perfect addition for those seeking to personalize their PC's aesthetics. The Vengeance RGB DDR5 memory kit we tested has a total capacity of 32GB, consisting of two 16GB DDR5 memory modules. The memory modules feature Corsair-branded SK Hynix MDI ICs and a power management IC from Renesas. In our testing, the Vengeance RGB DDR5 memory kit performed exceptionally well on our Intel system, achieving top rankings in rendering, compression, and decompression workloads. However, on the AMD test system, where it is certified for optimal performance, it is placed in the middle of the pack. Nevertheless, it excelled in the compression benchmark, outperforming the competition. We attempted to overclock the Vengeance RGB DDR5 memory kit, but found limited headroom due to its 1.4 volts requirement for stable operation at the advertised data rate and timings. Despite this limitation, we managed to achieve a small overclock to DDR5-6133 by slightly adjusting certain timings. Corsair's Vengeance RGB DDR5-6000 C30 memory kit delivers the performance and reliability that the brand is known for. It provides stable out-of-the-box performance, especially when paired with AMD platforms that support Expo. While overclocking headroom is limited due to the higher voltage requirement, the memory kit is competitively priced at $212.99, offering good value in the market for DDR5-6000 C30 memory kits. That wraps up our review of the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5-6000 C30 memory kit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful tech reviews. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are any other products you'd like us to review. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, stay tech savvy.